Hello teachers, this video will show you how to create a copy of your PowerLearning class. So in your PowerLearning portal, you'll go to My Classes and you'll see a list of your classes. It doesn't matter if they're active or inactive. What we're going to do is go to your homeroom and manage class and then save as. Okay, this is correct. We're going to create a new class with all the page content, and if there's anything else that you want to copy over, you can select all or only a few. And if you have any Google files, if you want to make new copies or use the same ones. Next, what you'll do is change the year. This is for the new class. The 2018 is not available yet, so this is something you can change in August once the new rosters are created.